what to do with all this plastic. We're going to put it to good use. We're going to make bags. I'm going to take this empty birdseed bag and show you how to make this really cool plastic tote bag. Okay, so I'm going to cut the bag out, and normally I cut my bag about 21 inches. I have a template here. You can buy a template from us on our website, blueearthbags.com. Makes it really simple to cut your bags out. So I'm going to cut it to the right size. Okay, so I cut it to size and I turned it inside out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here to the bottom and I'm going to fold it over twice, about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to just sew along this. Okay, so we sewed the bottom seam. This is the bottom of our bag. And now we're going to make our square corners. We're going to take this edge right here and we're going to push it down so it falls on the inside bottom seam. So we're going to go just like this and fold this seam down into the bottom seam, the inside bottom seam. Now we're going to come in 5 inches down each side and we're going to draw a line right here and we're going to sew right there. So here are our square corners. We got them on both sides and this is what makes the bag stand up really nice. So now what I'm going to do is lay it down and work on the top. And I'm going to roll over an inch all the way around. And then when I get that done, I'm going to fold it over again. So we're going to fold it over twice to make a nice finished edge. So I turned my top rim of my bag over twice, over an inch twice, and I measured in from the edge to 6 inches. You can just see my mark there. And here, I measured in 6 inches. And also, you can see it better on this side. I measured in 6 inches. This is where we're going to put our handles. So we're going to take 2 pieces of 1-inch webbing. These are 28 inches long. And I'm going to tuck it in behind that little cuff of the top and then fold it down in front like this. And I'm going to put my clothespin there. Everyone laughs at my clothespins. Okay, we're going to do the same thing there. Tuck it underneath and then put it right there. Going to do the same on the other side. We're going to sew all the way around the top of the bag up here fairly close to the top. And then we're going to come back down about 3/4 of an inch and we're going to sew all the way around again. You can see right here how I stitched around the top twice. And I turned my bag right side out. And this is what the bag looks like. So here's a few tips on sewing these plastic bags. The tension is going to be an issue. So you're going to have to mess with your tension to get it right. But I know eventually you will get it. I also use a number 18 diamond point needle to go through some of the heavy plastic. And I also use a walk-in foot, which really helps. I have an industrial sewing machine, but I have heard that a lot of people can do it on a regular home sewing machine. So good luck and let me know if you try it.